Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Corner. I'm Katrina. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Just coming to you with another one of my concepts. This is a porch sign. I've had this sign for quite some time, and shopping my stash decided, okay, let's dress this up with some butterflies, some flowers, and berries and see what we can do with this. So I may use this as decoration for the table, and if someone shows an interest, of course, I'll sell it to them. But tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.